And finally, if I go home on the borders and page borders and shading, we have shading. Note that this shading, it is exactly the shading of here. But if I go to the design tab, we have page color. Page color is for background paper color. I could give it a simple color, or go to fill effects, and we have different types of fill effects. You could add background picture, pattern, texture, or gradient. Let's say I want to add a pattern, something like that, and OK. I mentioned the page background here to give an important tip. In Microsoft Word, does not necessarily everything you see will print it. For example, if I go to File, Print, you see, even in my preview print, we don't have the background hashes or colors or even pictures. Just as an example, if I print it as a PDF anywhere, doesn't matter, and let me open it, you see here, we don't have any background. So it is important some elements are displaying on your page, but is not printing by default. So how we can print them? To do that, go to the File, Options, and in the Word options, go to Display tab, and we have some features here which I will mention in the feature, some of them. Here it is displaying and formats, and here we have printing options. Print drawings created, print background colors and images. Yes, we want that option. Even you could print hidden text, printing characters or some other features which I will mention later on in advanced sections. And OK. Now if I go to the File Print or press Ctrl or Command P, you see, now we have the background in the preview, and if I print that, it will get printed with PDF or real printer physical paper.